Have you ever pondered the mysteries of Stonehenge, that ancient monument that has puzzled historians and archaeologists for centuries? Stonehenge, this prehistoric marvel in England, has long been shrouded in mystery. Theories about its purpose and construction range from a religious temple to a solar calendar, even an ancient observatory. Its massive stones, some weighing over 13,000 pounds, were transported over 400 miles, a feat that still baffles us today. But recent research has unveiled new clues about this mysterious structure, turning our previous assumptions on their head. A remarkable discovery has emerged, suggesting that the altar stone of Stonehenge was transported from northeastern Scotland to southern England nearly 5,000 years ago. Imagine the effort it took to move this massive stone over such an immense distance. It's a testament to the advanced engineering skills of our ancestors. But it's not just about the logistics. This feat required immense cooperation and coordination among distant Neolithic communities. The transportation of the altar stone is a symbol of unity, a monument to the cultural interconnectedness of ancient societies. This discovery raises intriguing questions about the cultural connectivity of Neolithic societies. But why go to all this trouble? Why was Stonehenge reconstructed between 2620 to 2480 BC? Let's delve into this. Recent discoveries suggest that Stonehenge may have served as a grand symbol of unity among the ancient Britons, notably coinciding with the arrival of newcomers from Europe. This intriguing theory challenges our previous understanding of this enigmatic monument, painting it not just as a spiritual or celestial landmark, but also as a testament to the cultural connectivity of Neolithic societies. Stonehenge, it seems, was not just a spiritual site, but a powerful political symbol of unity and cooperation. Yet, the mysteries of Stonehenge are far from being fully unraveled. This ancient monument is believed to have served multiple significant roles. Its alignment with the solstices suggests it was a solar calendar, marking the changing seasons. The positioning of its stones indicates it may have functioned as an ancient observatory, a testament to the knowledge of our ancestors. Furthermore, evidence suggests Stonehenge was a religious temple, a sacred ground for ceremonies and rituals. These roles, intertwined with the idea of unity and collaboration, paint a multifaceted picture of ancient Britain. So the next time you gaze upon the monoliths of Stonehenge, remember the remarkable story they tell of unity, collaboration, and cultural exchange in ancient Britain. Join our community of informed citizens. Subscribe to your daily dose of news and be part of the conversation.